liquid nitrogen 10 gallon and 21 pieces oxygen, 5 pieces Entonox size D, and 2 pieces CO2. My balance before 5 and now 3. I take 2 pieces CO2. So our air breathing air size key 10 pieces. I tell this Omar. Next week he give this size key breathing air. Refilling oxygen 21 piece oxygen size E and 5 piece this Entonox size D. Then I take also the balance before CO2 2 piece. I have balance 5 piece before, then I take this 2 piece. Now I have 3 here na Abdul Asim balance CO2 size E. Okay. And then I will take this refilling for liquid nitrogen. Bar, ada ina.
This is a manifold. Our basement 2 is oxygen, air, and this one for the nitrogen. This is the OK manifold. One oxygen room, rooftop. This is everything is okay.